Okay, guys. Every once in a while, YouTube guys will throw me for a loop somehow. I've been looking for this particular thing from EFX. This is the Battlestar Galactica Viper helmet. Um, I've been looking for reviews on this, like an unboxing and everything like that. Could not find one fucking unboxing. People on YouTube show unboxing of the stupidest shit known to man, but something that's really fucking cool, I couldn't find one. So I figured, you know what? I'll do one myself. So, here's the unboxing. This is from a company called EFX. The first thing you're going to see is just a nice little piece of cardboard that shows what you got. This is the dual autographed one, signed by both Richard Hatch and Dirk Benedict. This is supposedly, I don't know how they said it, laser modeled or whatever it is, off of one of the screen used heroes. This one lights up, and from what I'm hearing, is gorgeous. So let's find out. First thing you're gonna get is a stand. Alright, this is the helmet stand. This part I know. And what does it have? This is just... This is an acrylic. So that's what it feels like to me. And since this is gray, I don't think it goes like this. That's what I thought. It has a nice Battlestar Galactica. Let's see if I can get that on screen, if you guys can see it. It says Battlestar Galactica. It's nice. This is actually very nice. This comes off, so you can actually put it on top of this. You guys can see it. That's the acrylic. It'll just go right on top of that. It comes sandwiched between these two pieces, which I really like. I think that's really cool. And I know what you're saying. I don't give a shit about the stand. Get to the helmet. So I will do that. Just let me put this back together really quick. Now I know mine is number one, I think 129 out of 500. So put that back on. Alright, that goes there. This is your certificate of authenticity. Comes with the signing and everything. This is just the pole. Okay. This is the plaque. I'm not going to open it up, but if you can see it, there's Richard Hatch, Dirk Benedict, and this says 129. So that's very cool. And the helmet itself. Wow. This is actually heavy. This is definitely not resin. This is fiberglass, no questions asked. Wow. This is a beautiful piece. And it actually comes with the padding for inside. Inside the helmet. Okay. Let me get this box out of the way. So, there it is. This is a gorgeous piece. If you can see inside, which I don't think you can. See if I can get this camera where you can. But, alright, you see this tag? This is all foaming. This is black backing, which is very soft. You have, I don't know if I can get the light now. I don't think I can. But there's a little controller piece in here where you put the batteries to light up the batteries on this. I mean, to light up the lights on this thing, which are right here. Wow, this is really, really, really nice. Like I said, this is alright. I would definitely say this is worth $600, no questions asked, especially if you're a Battlestar fan. So, that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll shoot some videos later of the display that I have, the rest of the Colonial uniform, gun and everything. But, yeah, hope you like it. That's it. And later.